Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today's going to be a fairly short and sweet video, and we're going to cover how to light the pilot light on your oven. So a couple quick things. One is safety. Anytime you're going to turn on a pilot or you're adjusting or rather turning it from pilot to a desired temp for your oven, you always want to open the oven door just to make sure it is being lit. That way you ensure that you're not building up gas in your oven, as that can be very dangerous. Next thing is you want to identify the method of lighting your pilot, because you'll have a few different ways. It may have a piezo igniter switch or a knob that when turned, you'll see a little spark in there, and you'll want to test to see if that happens on yours, because some models may have that piezo igniter, but it's only for the cooktop. Some of them may not have anything at all, and that's of course when we'll use a lighter, which I will cover in just a moment. So when it comes to actually lighting the pilot, what you want to do is find the selector knob for the oven. You will turn it to where it says pilot and then push and hold. At that point, you will either turn the piezo igniter knob if we found that that operates the oven, or if not, then you'll want to take a long lighter and move it next to the pilot underneath the tray and then ignite that lighter to ignite the pilot. Once it is lit, you will want to continue to hold that knob for 20 to 30 seconds. At that point, you can slowly release that knob and that pilot should stay lit. Once it is lit, you are good to go. You can then turn the knob to the desired temperature for the oven, and you'll be good to go to bake whatever casserole or cupcakes you want to cook. And if you want to continue using the oven, if you're continuing to camp, no problem. When you're done, you're ready to turn the oven off, don't turn the selector knob to off. You're actually going to want to turn it back to pilot to keep that pilot light lit, so you don't have to relight it during this camping excursion. Then when you're all done, you're ready to pack up and leave. At that point, you will then turn it to off. That way your pilot is not running during travel. And folks, that's really all there is to it. Pretty simple process, but definitely some safety precautions there. Again, make sure you always have that oven door open when lighting the pilot or when adjusting the temperature for the first time to ensure you're not building up propane. Thanks again for watching, folks. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you later.